Hello everyone, in this video I will help you to fix the YouTube videos loading but not playing error. It's very simple, just follow my steps. If you find this guide useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to go to Chrome. Then click on the three dots on the top right. Settings. Privacy and security. Delete browsing data, advanced, and here check these four boxes. Then click on Delete Data. Well, once that is done, you will look for Run in Windows. Here, type Prefetch. And delete everything that is inside this folder. I don't do it because I already did it. Then go to Run Again and type Temp. And delete everything. Go to Run Again and type %temp%. And delete everything. Well, now restart the PC. Then if you go to any video, you will check if it works. And that's it. If it helped you, leave me a like. Thanks.